How to get catch on Genshin Impact. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to get catch in Genshin Impact. In order to do that procedure, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and there are several steps involving in order to get the catch in Genshin Impact. So for that, please first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now, first thing, players can obtain the catch via the game's fishing mechanism, which is available to players after a certain amount of progression in the game. Now, players are required to have completed the following things to unlock the fishing minigame, that is, reach adventure rank 28 and unlock the Serratina port. And after that, you need to complete the world quest exploding population and all that. And Genshin Impact has finishing spot across all of its regions, but the catch is only available for purchase from the Inazuma fishing associations. Along with that, you also need 20 golden koi. After that, you need 20 rusty koi, and player can also purchase up to 4 of the refinement material for the catch from the same location, which also has a different set of requirement, that is 3 Ramina anglefish and 10 pufferfish, and you also need 10 bitter pufferfish. Following this criteria will lead you to get a catch in Genshin Impact. So that's basically how you can get catch in Genshin Impact. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.